Do you want to improve your spins? Let's practice stability with quarter and half spins. We'll practice quarter and half spins, focusing on stability. Be sure to check out the Stability Drills series first. In this drill, we'll keep the other leg not touching the floor, while using similar structure we used in previous drill. Be sure to check out the link below and go over it. Are you ready? Let's practice. We'll start quarter spins, 3 twists and a spin, while the other leg not touching the floor. Let's go. Twist to the left, twist to the right, twist to the left, and quarter spin. Again. Twist, 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 and spin. Again. Twist, 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 and spin. Twist, 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 and spin. Now, only one twist and spin. Try not to look down. Twist and spin, twist and spin, twist and spin. 4 more times. Let's go. Twist, spin, twist, spin. Yeah. To the side and spin. Last time. Twist and spin. And now 3 faster twists and a spin. Twist, 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 and spin. Let's go. Twist, 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 spin. Twist, 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 spin. Twist, 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 spin. Twist, 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 spin. Again. Twist, 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 spin. Twist, twist, and spin. Twist, 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 and spin. Twist, twist, twist and spin. Twist, twist. Last time. Twist, 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 spin. Twist, 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 spin, and twist, 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 and spin. Amazing work. You might feel your muscles. Yeah, means you're working. Now the other side. Let's go. Twist, 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 and spin. Twist, 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 and spin. Doing good. Let's go. Twist, 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 and spin on the balls of the feet. Again. Twist, twist. Focus on stability. Twist and spin. Now one twist, and a spin. Yeah. 1 and spin. Twist and spin. Focus on stability. Twist and spin. Twist and spin. Practice makes progress. Twist and spin. Practice more. Twist and spin. Feel the muscles. Twist and spin. Now we can shake it off. And now 3 faster twists and a spin. Let's go. Twist, 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 spin. Twist, 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 spin. Twist, 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 spin. Twist, 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 spin. Twist, 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 and spin. Yeah! Twist, twist, and spin. Twist, 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 and spin. And shake it off. You might feel your legs. Yeah. It means that you're challenging yourself. Let's continue with the half spins. 3 twists and half a spin. Let's go. Twist, 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 and half a spin. Yeah. Twist, 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 and half. Focus on your core muscles. Twist, 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 and half a spin. Yeah. Twist, 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 and half spin. Twist, 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 and half spin. Again. Twist, and spin on the balls of the feet. Yeah, practice makes progress. And now 3 faster twists and a spin. Let's go. Twist, 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 half a spin. Twist, twist, twist and half. Twist, twist, twist and half. Keep your balance. Twist, twist, twist and half. Feel your muscles. Twist, twist, twist and half. Twist, twist, twist and half. Yeah, and remember, the more you practice, the better you get. And now to the other side. Let's go. Twist, twist, twist and half spin. Yeah, twist, twist, doing great. Twist and half spin. Twist, feel your muscles. Twist, twist and half. Twist, twist, twist and half. Give me one more. Twist, twist, twist and half. Last half. Twist, twist, twist and half. Yes, doing great. And now 3 faster twists and a spin. Let's go. Twist, 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 spin. Twist, 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 spin. Twist, 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 spin. Twist, 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 spin. Feel your muscles and spin. Twist, 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 spin. Amazing work. You're probably feeling the muscles. Not easy, but effective. So let's continue. Quarter half with 1 twist. Are you ready? Yeah, let's go. Twist and quarter. Twist and half. Twist and quarter and yeah, twist and half. Feel your muscles. Twist and quarter. Twist and half. Twist and quarter and twist and half. Yeah, twist, quarter, twist and half. Last time, twist, quarter and twist and half. Yes, turn around. Doing great. Now let's do it faster. You ready? Let's go. Twist, quarter, twist, half, 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 twist, quarter, and twist and half. Doing amazing. Are you ready for the other side? Let's push it. Let's go. Twist and quarter, twist and half. Yes, starting slow. Twist, quarter and a half. Twist, half. Yes, twist, quarter, twist, half, twist, quarter, twist and half. Again, twist, quarter, twist, half, twist, quarter and twist and half. Yes, turn around. Are you ready for the last time? Let's go. Faster. Let's go. Quarter, half. Twist, quarter, twist, half, 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 twist, quarter, twist and half. And you can turn around. Amazing work! And don't miss the master tip at the end. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and consider subscribing if you want to get at least 3 new videos every week on footwork, body isolation and spins. Check the description for links to all playlists. And remember, Repetition, repetition, repetition is the mother of skill. So keep practicing and maybe even get your own t-shirt or sweatshirt. And if you're wondering why I put my heart and soul into these tutorials for you, for free, always for free, let me tell you my story. Try to wear your socks like this. It can help you stop yourselves to end your spins.